welcome to Business Life with Kimmi. Hey, business boss family, how's everybody doing? Listen, so today we are talking all about customer service. Customer service. How important it is for your business to thrive is customer service, believe it or not. And most people think about, oh, I got to have all the fancy bells and whistles with the technology, with this and that. We getting back to basics. Getting back to basics. And what does that mean? You need to know your client. You need to be nice to your client. You need to woo your client just like you dating somebody. Okay, so let's do it. If we get ready to talk about it. So when it comes to customer service, though, a lot of times it is highly underrated. Have you ever been to a store and everybody in the store just have an attitude, look like they woke up on the wrong side of the bed? And you walk in there and don't nobody greet you. You walk in there, ain't nobody giving no eye contact, no eye contact with you. Everybody just walking around like, next. What you want? What's your order? Excuse me? But then you go to a Chick-fil-A. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you know. Chick-fil-A, my pleasure. Good morning. How are you? Good afternoon. How's your day? Completely different experience. Completely different experience. In my personal business, I always say my pleasure. I love to hear that. I love saying it. People can feel it, okay? Matter of fact, I say it so much now that even when I'm just regularly talking to people and I do something for them and they say, thank you, it's my pleasure, I always say that. That's the Chick-fil-A way. I've never worked for Chick-fil-A, but I love the customer service there. People go to Chick-fil-A for their food, not necessarily because of the food, but it's because of the service. I guarantee you. When you think service, you think Chick-fil-A, okay? And I love the way they interact. And I also have developed a lot of those qualities. Naturally, I love people. And this is going to be even harder for my people who do not love working with people. For my business bosses who are not naturally inclined to talk to people, I'm the person, I'm in the streets, I'm walking in New York, and I'm saying hi to everybody, and they're looking like, why is she speaking to me? What's up? Why are you talking to me? I'm that person. I'm like, hey, how you doing? They're like, do I know you? No, but you will in 2 seconds. So we have to work on customer service. And again, for everyone, I know this is not your thing. It is not. But when I say customer service, I mean smiling. Even if you're on the telephone, people can hear you. Hello, good afternoon, versus hello, good afternoon. How can we help you? Back to basics. Back to basics. A little chit-chatting. How's your day going? Okay? How's your day going? Just a little chit-chat is going to make a difference. I don't care what industry you are in. Barbershop, daycare, lawn care, eyebrows, whatever you're doing, customer service goes a long way. People want to feel valued. And if you just say hello to people nowadays, they're looking like, wow. Because people don't even speak anymore. People do not even speak. I'm in a doctor's office. Now, you get your older clientele, they'll walk in and say good afternoon, but everybody's looking at them kind of like, why are you speaking? What's up with that? Again, you can separate yourself from everybody else just by speaking. And there's so much competition out there today that you have to stand out. You want to stand out by providing excellent service to your clients. A way that you're going to find out how your clients feel about you and your business is reviews. Yep. That's how you're going to really know. And you know when you provide excellent customer service, you can feel it. And that's why you need to be really think about customer service as part of your overall business plan. What does that look like? What do you want to do with every single client? You know, that may be something as simple as I want to make sure I greet every single client with a smile on the telephone or in person. I want to make sure I use the customer's name. A lot of times that's outdated. People don't say that, hey dude, hey shorty, hey boss, hey no, Mr. Smith. Hi, Mrs. Smith. Okay? Getting back to basics. Your client is not your shorty. Your client is not your homie. Your client is Mr. or Mrs. Okay? All right? Don't call your client shorty. What's up, dude? No. Handshakes. Now with COVID and all that stuff still kind of, in the air or whatever, if it's still there, a lot of times people may not want to shake hands, and that's okay. But we're going to do a little arm thing. We're going to do something to let that client know if we're not going to shake hands, fist bump. And you kind of read your client too, because your client may come with you at a fist bump and let you know, hey, I'm not shaking hands, or they may do like that, because that's what I do in my business now. I just kind of do like an elbow to elbow or something like that. If they fist bump me, that's fine. Follow your client's lead. But you as the professional, that's not going to be your first thing is, what's up, dude? Hey. No. We are not doing that, okay? Again, we're getting back to basics. So you, by asking your clients though for reviews, you will be able to see what is going on in their mind, because they may say, oh, thank you, everything went well, but now what they put in print may be different. Okay, so again, you set the tone when your client first gets to you, arrives at your location, or you arrive at them. Hello, when they walk in your office, you know, make sure, hey, hello, not hey, we're not gonna say hey, but hello, welcome. Okay, now we're also going to read the customer reviews. We're going to read them, and if our client put in there, JJ was not very friendly, now we need to work on that. They were late, we need to work on being on time. Your clients will tell you what they want, and I did another video, if it's not already out yet or it's coming soon, about knowing your competition. And that's a good way to know what your clients are expecting in your particular industry. Because when you read the reviews, it will say, oh, Johnny's establishment didn't open on time. He said he was going to open at 10 and he did not. Or Johnny arrived late to my appointment when he told me he would be here to cut my grass at 8 o'clock and he didn't come till 9 o'clock. So that lets you know your clients really want someone dependable, reliable. And these are things that you don't even have to do any research on. This is a given. How do you want to be treated? If you go to the doctor's office and they tell you the appointment is 10 o'clock and they don't start helping you until 11, what goes through your mind? You're upset, right? So in your business, I'm going to encourage you to do what you say, mean what you say, and do it. If you tell your client, I'm going to be there at 10 o'clock, you arrive at 9:55. You're early. Don't get there 5 after 10. Okay? You're late. Even if you get there at 10 o'clock, where I come from, the way I was raised, if you got to be somewhere at 6, then I need to be there at 5:45. Now, today's world, Atlanta traffic, most big city traffic, you might get there right on time, but that means we need to leave for our appointment sooner or whatever. But customer service is not outdated. It's not going anywhere, okay? So I always like to leave you with some clear takeaways, okay? Clear. Customer service. We're going to smile at our client. We're going to use our client's name. We're going to have conversation with our client. We're going to thank our client. We're going to ask our client for a review. We're going to read the reviews and then see what we need to do better. Okay? It's just as simple as that. And customer service, again, is not going away. People, I don't care, AI and all this extra computer stuff, we still need people, and people are the ones spending money. Computers do not spend money. Okay, computers do not spend money. People spend money, and they spend money with people they like and they trust. Okay, they like and trust. So don't forget that. So until next time, guys, this is Business Life with Kimmi. Visit us over at businesscreatorzone.com for all your business needs. Okay, much success, my business bosses. Bye.